So today we're going to couple a sewing machine leg. So you probably just bought a manual sewing machine leg and then you need to put it all together. So the first thing you do is that you put the stand close by to the pedal. All right, so you put the stand close by to the pedal. Most times they screw the nuts on the body of the stand, so you unscrew it, then you try to match it with the opening on the pedal. So when you try to match it with the opening, of course you need someone to hold it for you so that it doesn't keep shifting and the rest of it. So when you put it in, you tighten it manually, you screw it manually, then you can now tighten it with a spanner or a screwdriver, whichever one you're working with, but I use a spanner for this particular project. So because I wasn't working with someone at the time, I had to struggle several times before I could fix it in. But the ideal thing to do is to work with someone. So I tried turning it to a different position so that I could just screw it very easily, and there it worked before I eventually carried the screw cap to lock it on the other side. So you can see how I'm locking it manually. This is not the final stuff. Or if you lock it like this, it's just going to fall off eventually. So you're going to need to use a spanner to tighten it and all. So I'm also going to find where the screw is, then remove the screw from the leg, and then tighten it on the body of the wheel. So guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Eberechi Igwe Obuna. I'm a fashion instructor and a sewing machine specialist. Oh, I love to call myself that. So this channel, we teach different kinds of sewing, using pattern making, sewing techniques. Then we also teach different stuff about sewing machines, how to use different sewing machines, how to repair them, how to set them up, blah blah blah. So you're going to just see my other videos to see what we do. Please do like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to share if you find value watching this video. So just keep watching up the setup, and that is it about this sewing machine setup. So if you want to order sewing machines, you can contact the number on the screen. We have different sewing machines for ordering, new ones, fairly used, and all that. You want the leg, any type at all you want, we actually have them for sale. And yes, we give a 1 year warranty when you place an order for your sewing machine with us. So at this stage we're done. So after tightening it, the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to have to screw the board on top of it. So you take your sewing machine board in whichever format it is and place on top. Make sure that the holes align. Okay, so you're going to take your screw nut. I'm not screwing this one tightly because this is the one I'm sending out. So you're going to use your star screwdriver. Star screwdriver is practically the best screwdriver you could actually use for this project. Do not use a flat screwdriver. A flat screwdriver can only take you so far. Like, it wouldn't take you, really far, as much as you need. So you go ahead and use your knot on all the areas. So by the time you've used them, you now turn it around. So you can see this one is still loose because I really didn't do any screwing job. I only made my markings, and now I'll turn round. On each opening, there's actually an opening for the hole on this iron. Okay, so you can now see I put my screw knot there. So when you put your screw knot, you now use your star screwdriver to tighten it. Good morning. Thank you. So you now use your star screwdriver to tighten it very well, like you screw and screw and screw until it is deep into the hole. But I'm doing more of a superficial stuff because I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. I wouldn't need to screw it on. So when you're doing it, make sure that your wheel aligns very closely with that opening on the right. You know, there are two openings, the big opening and the small opening. So just make sure that it aligns. After you're done, you just turn it over like this and then place your machine on top, and that is just it. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my other training videos. Once again, I'm Eberechi Igwe Obonna.